get your favorite brew. Now join me on this video. Hey, welcome back to the shop. I have a question for you, and that is, have you ever come across a tool that just seems to be a perfect configuration? Perfect for your size, your weight, your ability, your height, everything. One such tool is this Norland Boys X. I love it. It works perfect for me. I can use it one-handed, two-handed. It's very versatile, gets a lot of work done. It does a real good job and I like it. And I have come across another such tool, and I want to bring you down here on the workbench and share it with you. Come take a look. So I really like this sledgehammer, and I want to take and clean it up. I want to pull off this head here. You can see that the shoulder runs clear down here, so I could probably drop that about 1.5 inches, and it would still work very well. This thing has a basically what would be considered a 27 inch. It's 26, a little less than 26.5 inches. When it's all said and done, it'll probably be down to about 25.5 inches. But I think it will make a really good sledgehammer. And I think it's going to be one I'm definitely going to keep. So join me on this as we take it apart, put it back together, and give this old tool new life. Alright, now this is 1500 grit wet dry sandpaper that has been contact cemented to a used piece of 220 hook and loop for the orbital sander. Now, I've never had the patience for polishing, and so this is probably just going to accentuate every place I've missed, and you already see that I haven't gotten in there all the way down to all those little divots. But I want to just get this, try to get this nice, see how this works, see what it looks like. And this is a good process that you can use at home. So this is something I intend to use, so I don't want to clean it up too much that I feel bad for scratching it. So I'm just going to polish these sides, and we're going to go and hang it on the handle it came with. I will soak that in linseed oil overnight, and I am very happy with the way that came out. So next thing is to hang it. I am very pleased with how tight this came out. It should hold for a very long time. So let's sit and let that soak in, and it'll be sure to be tight. There we go. I really like this thing. Got a nice penetrating coat of linseed oil on that handle. You can now see, after we've cleaned it up, you can see that it's a TrueTemper. It's a 5-pound, and I really do like this configuration. It works great. I never have the patience to try to clean these up so that they're a super mirror polish, because then you never want to use them. So I've cleaned it up nice. I really like it. I usually like the eye to protrude, but with something like this, I like to be able to set it on a flat surface and that it will stand up. So I went ahead and ground that down pretty flush, and I'm very happy with the way it turned out. So thanks so much for joining me on this video. Thanks for taking the time. Like always, I never do take your time for granted. Try to put out good content, and just want to thank you for coming and spending the time here. Share, like, subscribe. Look forward to seeing you on the next video. Have a great day, and God bless.